Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to talk about my product empties. And there is no particular order and there is no makeup. I have no makeup empties. I have this bag. So today I'll be sharing with you all the products that are inside this bag. My hair care, skin care and some body care. So let's get started. So there is no particular order. I'll be just picking out any stuff that comes to my hand first. So yeah. Great. The first product is the Body Shop Satsuma. This one I have used it. You can see there is nothing left. It is a body butter. It was a boom in the winter vacations we had, and I have used this full just because of that. And it smells really bad. I don't know, don't like the fragrance of this, but yeah, it's fine, it's okay, it's a okay product. I don't think I'll buy this again because it does moisturize your skin, but it has a very weird fragrance, so I'm not gonna use this. I was going to drop it. Okay, so my second product is this Clinique Moisture Surge. I have two of this one I got as a gift when I got that moisture, what is that called, Clinique ID, that moisturizer I got with the serum one. That one, I got this as a complimentary gift from Sephora, and after using this I loved it. I got this and both of these are over. I just love this product, and it has a gel like structure. It smells good, which is like savior, because not all products smell good, but it smells good. This product is very lightweight. After putting it in your skin, you cannot feel there is something in that's been sitting on your skin. It's very lightweight, it's very comfortable to wear, and you can also moisturize your hair with this. Like you can put, if you see you have a lot of like flakiness and everything, or your hair it's not behaving properly, or it has a weird structure, or it's dry, you can put at the ends of your hair. You can put it in the ends of your hair and it will be good to go. So yeah, this is a definite repurchase. I'm gonna purchase this definitely because I love this product. I cannot purchase it now, so yeah. Okay, the next one is the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. Yeah, you see it's over. I know, everyone love this product. Everyone has this product. I think the person, those who like makeup, those who do makeup and whatever, they love this product. I love this product. I have another bottle sitting in my vanity right now. So yeah, issue is solved. I don't have to like wait for this to order. Yeah. Or the next product is Himalaya Anti-Dandruff Hair Cream. You see it looks like this. So I have used it full. Like there's nothing left in it. It's an okay product. I just don't love this because it does work. It does remove your dandruff, but this thing stays for just 2 days. Like not more than that. After that you could see your dandruff coming, and again you will be having that flakiness on your scalp, and it be just bad, just too bad. So it has tea tree oil and tulsi in it, and yeah, I'm actually using the whole range of this. Like the anti-hair fall one, I haven't completed it till now. I have it with me, but this is also I have finished. It's protein hair cream, extra nourishment. Yeah, actually my mother is putting some oil in this, so she's used it to put oil with methi and all that oil every mom that makes in their house. So that yeah, I love this product. Now I'm using the Mamaearth one. I think it's slightly better. I'll be repurchasing that. I don't know about this. I'll repurchase it or not. So yeah, it's a okay product. if you're in a budget, you can use this. It's very cheap. It's I think 80 rupees for 100 ml. So yeah, worth the. So the next product is Pond's light moisturizer. So it has vitamin E and glycerin in this. It's a good moisturizer. It's not sticky and it moisturizes your skin well. It's not the best for dry skin types, but yeah, it moisturizes skin well. Yeah, good product. Yeah, I'll be repurchasing this. The next product is a Plum Green Tea Clear Face Mask. I'm so sad that this got over and I cannot repurchase this now. I am so sad. This is for oily skin types, but I don't know, I just love this face pack. I used to put it and I used to get a very glowy and refreshed feeling after that, and I just love that feeling. But yeah, it just take out all the gunk from your pores, and this leaves your skin like so clean, and you'll love this. Just use this, you'll love it. Definitely gonna repurchase this after this lockdown. My next things are this cute little stuff. How cute are these? Okay, this is this is from Face Shop. This is chia seed no shine hydrating cream, and this is chia seed facial toner. Both are from chia seed. I got this when I purchased the full size product, that chia seed emulsion. I got that, and I got this thing complimentary with those with that full size product. So I loved the toner. This cream is for oily skin type. Yeah, it suits me. I love the cream. I'm not saying that it's very bad. I love it, but it is good for oily skin type, because when I used to put this during winters, it's not enough for a dry skin type. It's a very good moisturizer or cream for oily skin type. So the oily skin girls, check this out. So I think now you get the pink version of that. So yeah, even I haven't tried that, so but I love this. Okay, I love this. I like this toner so much, I cannot tell how much I love this toner. I'm just waiting. Do you know how many days this toner went? Like it, I used to use this like daily, and you just need a very little amount of it, and it just like it hydrates your skin suddenly, because it's a hydrating toner. You love this toner. I don't have any words for it. I just love it. It's a hydrating toner. It just give a very uh, flush effect to your skin, and that highlighting wala glow face पे होता है, highlighting वाला glow. This leaves that glow in your face. You will love this toner, guys. I'm gonna repurchase it after this lockdown, of course. Guys, that's all. I don't have any other empties to show you guys, and yeah, I don't have any makeup empties. It's very difficult to empty a product, because it takes a very lot of time to know to use it, and I have a lot of product around me, and it's so much difficult to complete all the products. So yeah, it's fine, no issues. But I don't have any makeup empties till now. But yeah, I just can show you that I've hit this pan of this is the L'Oreal Matte Magic, and I have hit the pan, and I'm very proud of myself that I've hit the pan, because I have purchased this like 2 years ago, and it was still with me, and I love that product. I absolutely freakingly love that product. I don't have any product. So yeah, so guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and there is a bell right next to it. Click on that so that you will get my notifications. Like whenever I post a video, you will get a notification that I posted a video, so it will be easy for you, and you can know me. Like this video, comment below what are the things you like, or what are the things you have purchased, you have used, or what are the things you like. It will be very nice to talk with you guys. So yeah,